How to stretch time in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project and select the audio clip you want to stretch. Once the clip is selected, look closely at the end of the waveform. You will see small handles appear. Now, to stretch the time, hover your mouse over the edge of the clip until you see a double-sided arrow icon. Click and drag the edge to the left to shorten the clip or to the right to stretch it out. This will change the timing of the audio while keeping the pitch intact. Keep in mind that extreme stretching may affect the sound quality, so try to make moderate adjustment for the best result. Make sure you are in the time stretch mode instead of pitch stretch mode. Lastly, always preview your changes by hitting play to make sure everything sounds smooth and natural. If something feels off, you can undo the stretch or fine-tune it again using the same handles or property settings. And that's it. Now you know how to stretch time in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.